Hi, the work is completed. So this demo will demonstrate the complete cycle of how it works. Here is the entries. This is the default one, which refers to the earlier entries. So we can make changes and then click on save. Save is done. So it will immediately generate the memorandum. So here is the memorandum it has generated. It is in the same format in the Excel file. It creates and it saves this memorandum here. This is the memorandum it has created. It saves in the same location. I'm just deleting this file and let's add one more item to the same ISN. And this is a watch. Watch required. Here is the doctor. Then notes. I'll just click on save. It has saved and it has generated this memorandum. So you can see this memo has been created here. So this is how it creates the memorandum. And after that, we can go to approve or reject. Right now there are three lists which are pending approval. In the pending state, you can approve or reject. And here, to add more items, we can use this screen to add more items. Now I will add one more item as a test item. Sorry. Added, closing, and I'll add new doctor. Dr. James Whitney. Then close it here. Now the same things we can find here, test item, then James Whitney as a doctor, and save it. It will immediately generate the memorandum here. So it has generated this memorandum, and here is the memo that is generated. Now you can go to approve or reject. Before that, you can also have a edit feature. If any data entered in this screen, out of this data, if you see something has to be changed, then you can go to search, edit or delete items. You can change any of these values here. Maybe ISN number, or now we can change this ISN number. It's done. It's close. Now you can see that particular changes has happened here. 1555. Now in this one you can also delete any entry that is made just by clicking here. Then let us select the test as the ISN. Here it is. Let's delete this one. Delete selected row. So it has deleted now. After the new item is entered, you can go to approve or reject, and you can approve, reject, approve. So we have 3 approved, list of approved, 2 approved, and 1 is rejected. Okay. Now after the approval, we can go to update ISN. Whenever the item is issued, this ISN can be updated. Now it is done. Now you can see there is only one entry that requires issual of this item. Now this can be revoked only when the item is indefinite. So I'll add this one, the same item or a different item, say pair of shoes. Diagnosis is some data. This is shoe. This is a doctor. Then it's creating the memorandum. It's created. Now can go to approve it. After that, can go for okay, it has not issued. So after issue only we can ISN. We can go for Sorry, there is nothing such. Let's see the all items, whichever is having indefinite. So none has been selected as indefinite. So let us edit any one of these items and say indefinite, and given to ISN is not there. So this is a watch. I made it as indefinite. And let's go to this one. This is a watch, and this has an indefinite. So let me upload this one. Okay, this has been approved. Now we can go for revoke. Revoke if it is not expired. Why is this? Given to ISN. Okay. Now we can revoke because it was not issued. Given to ISN was not there, so it was not revoking because the item itself is not issued. Now after going here, we can just click on revoke. It has been revoked. Now there are no pending items which can be revoked. Now we can see list of revoked items. This is the one. List of approved items. List of rejected items. List of expired. There are no expired items as of now. List of revoked items. So all items here. There are 4 items requested. This is ordered in the due to the request raise date from recent to the oldest. And then now all this is done. Now let us check one for the expired report. Now let us change the date of this one. Okay, that is indefinite. Let's not do that. Say 6th. Expiry date is the 6th. But during entry it should be more than the present date. For our testing, I am just adding this as 1. Now I did it. Change it to 6/6 means yesterday's date. I'll close it. Now I will close this. Test to run a code. On opening up of database, it calculates the expired items. Now I do not want it to close and open again. So I'll run the code so that it runs the startup of this update expired items. Now I'll run this code. It is done. Now we can see the expired items. This is the one that has expired. So this is how it works, and the how to install. This is the database, and this is a template folder. Within the template, there is a template for creating a memorandum. Please copy this file along with the database. This folder, template folder, which has a template file along with this tracker database. So that's the only thing you need to do. All these memorandums will be created here. The database file is this, and then the template file is this. When you are putting it in the network, please make sure the user who is going to access this database has a read and write access. Maybe you can eliminate the users from delete, but you can give the read and write access to all the users who wanted to access this one. Please have a look, and let's have a test, and then you can upload it in the final one, or if you find anything you can let me know. We'll work accordingly. Thank you.